What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Steam is having too many login failure error and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here to the file explorer, directly navigate to this PC and go to local disk C, go for the program file x86 and scroll down and navigate to the folder named Steam. Right now from here what we need to do is we just need to go to the folder named config, and right now you can see we have a folder over here, right, something called config vdf. Right click on this one, go for the trash icon, go for delete it, and once after it is successfully deleted we just need to go over here, you can find another one named login user.pdf. So make sure you delete both config.pdf and also you should be deleting login users VDF as well. Delete both on the trash icon. So make sure that you have deleted both, and once afterwards you have to check, and still if there might be an issue you might be having, if that is the case, just go over here, search for the control panel and click on the control panel, and right now we need to navigate to the network and internet and go for network and sharing center right now and go for the change adapter settings over here, and right now we need to select the Wi-Fi that is connected, go for the properties, make sure the internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 is selected and go for the properties, go for use the following DNS server right now, and what we need to do is we just need to give the commands over here. You can try with 888 or you can try with 884 and 4. Once afterwards you have to close this and you have to check, still there might be an issue. If that is the case, we need to move to the next one. Next one is just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings right now and directly navigate to the network internet. So if the VPN is connected, right now for me the VPN is not connected. So if you're already connected to a VPN, just make sure that you disconnected and you have to check. So if you're not connected to the VPN for the first time or you're setting up a VPN, just try connecting with the VPN and you have to check as well. Sometimes both can be worked up. So the users who have not tried the VPN so far, try connecting a VPN, but the users who have in this error with the VPN, just disconnect the VPN and try launch the game. And afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is sometimes this issue can pop up because of the Steam might be going through an issue with any kind of, what you have to say, might be server down, or the server down might be having these kind of issues. So make sure you have to wait for a couple of times and you have to check with the Steam, and afterwards if you try to launch it, it might be popping up like normal ways, you'll not be having the trouble. And also I request you next time also make sure that you have to log in with the Steam in the offline mode as well. So offline mode in the sense you have to turn off the Wi-Fi and try launching the Steam. They might be asking you to log in with the offline mode. That is also possible and you can try this out as well. So these are the steps and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.